Hello, fourth grade, and welcome to lesson 13-3. Here we're going to work on equivalence using customary units of weight. So customary units of weight include ounces, pounds, and tons. Let's go ahead and watch our short video lesson together, and then we will jump into our notes and our guided practice as usual.
How can you convert from one unit of weight to another? Mark made dinner for his family using the ingredients shown. How many 6-ounce servings did Mark make? Weight is how heavy an object is. Units of weight include ounces, pounds, and tons. The weights are not all given in the same units. You will need to convert all weights to ounces to solve the problem. This table shows the relative sizes of customary units of weight. 1 pound is how many times as heavy as 1 ounce?
Select your answer.
So here, if we're moving from pounds to ounces, we want to find out 1 pound is how many times as heavy as ounces. So 1 pound is 16 times as heavy.
To convert the weight of the pasta and the meatballs to ounces, multiply each weight by 16. The pasta weighs 6 2/5 ounces. The meatballs weigh 9 3/5 ounces. Add the weights of all the ingredients to find the total ounces. The weight of all the ingredients is 24 ounces. Divide to find S, the number of servings. 24 divided by 6 equals S. S equals 4. Mark made 4 6-ounce servings.
Good job!
Okay, let's go ahead and get into our notes and our guided practice. Now for our notes on this lesson, again, we're working with customary units of weight. Now with customary units of weight, we're talking specifically about how heavy an object is specifically here on Earth, because weight is related to the pull of gravity. It's a little bit of a flip back to science for you guys. So the units of weight that we're using are ounces, pounds, and tons. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Now we use ounces to measure small, really lightweight things, such as the weight of a small paperback book, the weight of a hummingbird, the weight of a pencil. Pounds are used to measure more medium-sized objects, like how much a person weighs, or a small pet, like a cat or a dog, how much your computer weighs at home. And tons are used to measure really heavy and large objects like cars, or large animals like horses or rhinos or whales. Now remember, when we are converting from a big unit to a small unit, so if you're going from pounds to ounces or from tons to pounds, you're going to multiply. But when you're converting from a small unit into a bigger size unit, you need to divide. Let's take a look at our first example. It says, when Lori's puppy, Bay, was born, he weighed 3/8 of a pound. What was Bay's weight in ounces? So I need to convert 3/8 of a pound into ounces. Now I know that 1 pound is 16 ounces. So to find 3/8 of a pound, I need to multiply 3/8 times 16. And again, we're only multiplying the whole number times the numerator because we need 16 groups of 3/8. So 16 times 3 is 48. So our answer is 48/8. Now, since this is an improper fraction, I need to convert it either to a whole number or a mixed number. 8 goes into 48 6 times. So Bay weighed 6 ounces when he was born. Our next few examples are also conversions. So 15 pounds into ounces. Now I know 1 pound is 16 ounces. So to find 15 pounds in ounces, I need to do 15 times 6. 15 times 6 is 240. So there are 240 ounces in 15 pounds. Now, if I'm going from tons to pounds, 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So 6 tons is going to be 2,000 times 6, which is going to give me 12,000 pounds in 1 ton. Next, I'm going to work on comparisons. I want to compare 3 pounds and 40 ounces to figure out which one is greater. Now, if 1 pound is 16 ounces, and I need to convert to make sure I'm comparing things with the same units, I need to convert the pounds into ounces. So 3 times 16 will give me 48 ounces. 48 ounces is greater than 40 ounces, so 3 pounds is greater than 40 ounces. For our next example, it says Sarah is making lunch for her family. She makes 3/5 pounds of rice, 9 ounces of sauce, and 4/5 pound of chicken. How many ounces of food did she make in all? So if 1 pound is 16 ounces, and since I'm using different units in my question, I need to convert all of these into ounces because my question is asking me how many ounces of food does she need to make. So that's the unit I need to use in my answer. So if 1 pound is 16 ounces, 3/5 of a pound for the rice times 16 is going to be 48 fifths. 3 times 16 is 48, and it's still over that same denominator of 5. I need to convert that into a mixed number. 5 goes into 48 9 times. 5 times 9 is 45, with those 3 extra left over. So 9 3/5 ounces of rice. For the 4/5 pound of chicken, I'm going to do 4/5 times 16. 4 times 16 is 64 fifths. So 64 fifths, I need to convert that again into a mixed number. 5 goes into 64 12 times. So I'll have 12 and then 4/5 remaining. And then I have the 9 ounces of sauce that was already written in ounces. Now I'm going to combine these fractions. So 12 and 4/5 plus 9 and 3/5 plus 9. So I'll add my whole numbers first. 12 plus 9 gave me 30. 4/5 plus 3/5 is 7/5. So 30 and 7/5 is written improperly because it has an improper fraction in it. I'm going to change that 7/5 into 1 whole and 2 more fifths. So I'll have 31 ounces, 31 and 2/5 ounces of food. And for my last 2 examples before we jump into our guided practice, convert 1/8 pound into ounces, and the other one is comparing 3 tons or 2,899 pounds. Now, 1/8 pound into ounces. If 1 pound is 16 ounces, I need to do 16 times 1/8 or 16/8, which is equal to 2. 1/8 pound is equal to 2 ounces. Now, comparing 3 tons or 2,899 pounds. If 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, 3 tons is going to be 3 times 2,000, which is 6,000. So 3 tons is greater than 2,899 pounds. For our guided practice, number 1 says, would it make sense to describe the total weight of Mark's dinner in tons? Why or why not? Well, no, because the tons are used to measure very, very large, heavy objects like cars, not a person's dinner. So if we're measuring dinner, we're looking at using a smaller size unit of measure. So either ounces or even pounds if he's making dinner for a lot of people. For numbers 2, 3, and 4, we're doing more unit conversions. 9 tons is equal to how many pounds? So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. 9 times 2 is 18. So 9 times 2,000 is 18,000. 9 tons is equal to 18,000 pounds. For number 3, 3/4 of a pound in ounces. If 1 pound is 16 ounces, 3/4 times 16 is 48 fourths. 4 goes into 48 12 times. So 3/4 of a pound is 12 ounces. And for number 4, 17 pounds in ounces. 1 pound is 16 ounces. So 17 pounds is going to be 17 times the 16 ounces, which equals 272 ounces in 17 pounds. That takes us to the end of this lesson. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.